Microtail brand fully automatic water level controller. For Municipality Corporation Water. This is sample installation video. This controller comes with all the required sensors in the package. Here we show installation with 3-wire motor which has MCB type starter. 2-pin line sensor must be installed like this with T-joint between water inlet line. Don't forget to use black rubber studs. Motor turns on after 45 seconds when water touches to sensors probes like this. Connection of sensors cable must be done like this. Right side 3 connections are 2-pin line sensors connection. Left side 3 connections are of overhead tank sensors. Wire of overhead tank sensors can be installed like this, and recommended wire to be used is telephone or internet cable. User can place the sensors inside the tank like this. Red sensor at top, green at middle, and black to bottom always. For more information, contact on our customer care number.